Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is moving just around this 38.2 retracement at 3,471. It's going to be a quiet day today, I assume. We have seen in what I believe is just a three-wave move up. Now that, from the Tuesday low, okay, or Monday or Tuesday low. Now, yeah, this three-wave move up on the ETH chart could be in the blue count, which is bullish. Just an A wave, okay, an A wave of wave 5 here. That's the blue version of our wave count. So in this count, the wave 4 bottomed on Tuesday at around 3,355. We have seen a three-wave corrective rally. That's the wave A. And now we are probably in a B wave pullback, in which we've seen the initial 5-wave decline in wave A. We could now be working, maybe over the weekend or today at least, on the wave B. A, B, C maybe. I've run out of wave degrees. There's no point putting that onto the chart, but the resistance area is clear. It's defined between 3,516 and 3,586 USD. And from here, a C wave down could then happen in wave B, and then we rally in wave C. And that would be the blue count in an ideal Elliott wave world. That would happen in the blue scenario, in the blue wave count, and the B wave pullback. Yeah, ideally needs first of all a more healthy B wave within wave B. Okay, because otherwise there is a risk that support will break. And the invalidation point for the blue count is here, that low that formed on Tuesday. This is the invalidation point for the blue scenario. Yeah, so there is no wiggle room. If we break below that level at 3,355 or plus minus a couple of dollars, then the yellow wave count is clearly in control. I already said to you that I assume yellow is in control until we get at least a breakout of the range. So that means breaking out above resistance, but actually better would be a break above the green line here at 3,650. But yeah, idea is that as soon as this B wave pullback is over, we rally higher in the blue count. Absolutely possible. I mean, it would be good for ETH because this correction that started already in end of May, it's time that it's over, but there's no confirmation yet. So I don't want to get anybody caught in a trap. Therefore, I'm very careful in confirming here a low is in or anything because I can't confirm it. Okay, that's the trouble with the current structure. We're dealing with corrective structures up and down. And also in the blue scenario, that wave 5 to the upside, it doesn't need to give us any 5-wave movements. Normally we get our clues by looking at 5-wave patterns, but because we are dealing with a larger diagonal that started in April, we could just see 3 waves up and down. Okay, so just important to know that, but then the invalidation points and the context gets more and more important. But yeah, in the yellow count, we can get one more low. Absolutely worth at least considering that. In this scenario, we've seen a wave 1 to the downside. This here could be a wave 2 instead of the blue B wave. So it's really all about the next decline. If in the next decline we break below the Tuesday low, then this is clearly the yellow scenario and it could lead to one more low, which wouldn't be a disaster. It would just mean we go a little bit lower in our orange support area, maybe to touch 3,337, which is the 50% retracement, or even a little bit lower, maybe the lower boundary line of that trend channel in wave 5 of C of Y of 4. These are the main scenarios. It really takes a break above initial resistance to indicate something more bullish, so above 3,586. That's the update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.